Jang Moon was born on March 4, 1990, in Gwangju, South Korea, a city known for its vibrant sports culture and commitment to athletic excellence. From a young age, Jang displayed exceptional physical talent, participating in various sports during his childhood. His primary interest, however, was in athletics, particularly the long jump and sprints, events that required both speed and explosive power. Growing up in a family that valued physical activity, Jang was encouraged by his parents to engage in sports from an early age. His father, a former amateur sprinter, saw Jang's potential and provided him with guidance and motivation to pursue athletics more seriously. Jang's journey into competitive athletics began in high school when he joined his school's track team. There, he quickly made a name for himself as a promising young sprinter, winning local competitions and gaining attention from national scouts. In high school, Jang became a star in the sprints, particularly in the 100-meter and 200-meter races, eventually earning a place on the national athletics team. He continued his training at Korean National Sport University, where his technique and speed improved dramatically under the tutelage of some of South Korea's best coaches. Rise to national prominence. Jang Moon's rise to prominence in South Korean athletics began in the mid-2000s. His breakthrough came in 2008, when he competed in the South Korean National Track and Field Championships for the first time. Although he was a relatively unknown athlete at the time, his performances in the sprints caught the eye of the athletics community. At just 18 years old, Jang's natural speed and determination propelled him to victory in the 100-meter and 200-meter events at the 2008 Korean National Championships, marking the beginning of his ascent in the competitive sprinting world. These early victories not only made him a national champion, but also put him on the map for future international competitions. In 2009, Jang represented South Korea at the Asian Athletics Championships in Guangzhou, China. He finished fourth in the 100-meter event, a result that further solidified his reputation as one of Asia's up-and-coming sprinters. Over the next few years, Jang continued to excel in national and regional competitions, becoming a dominant force in both the 100-meter and 200-meter sprints. Career peak. Jang Moon's career reached its peak in the early 2010s when he began competing at the highest levels of international athletics. His performance in the 2010 Asian Games in Guangzhou was a turning point, as he captured the attention of the global athletics community. Jang won a gold medal in the 200-meter race, marking his first major international victory. This victory was particularly significant because it made him the first South Korean sprinter to win a gold medal in the 200-meter event at the Asian Games. The 2010 Asian Games solidified Jang's reputation as one of the fastest sprinters in Asia, and it marked the beginning of a series of high-profile achievements. In 2012, he competed in the London Olympics, representing South Korea in the 200-meter and 4x100-meter relay events. Although he did not win a medal, Jang's personal best in the 200-meter event was a highlight of his Olympic campaign. His time of 20.12 seconds in the semifinals was a national record at the time, demonstrating his elite level of performance on the world stage. Jang continued his dominance in Asian competitions, winning another gold medal in the 200-meter event at the 2014 Asian Athletics Championships in India. This victory, along with his consistent performances in various international competitions, placed him firmly among the top sprinters in the world. He also set several national records in both the 100-meter and 200-meter sprints during this period, including a 100-meter record of 9.97 seconds, which made him the second fastest South Korean sprinter in history. Main achievements. Jang Moon's athletic career is characterized by a series of major achievements that cemented his status as one of South Korea's greatest sprinters. Among his most notable accomplishments: gold medal in the 200-meter at the 2010 Asian Games. Jang's victory in the 200-meter sprint at the Asian Games was a landmark achievement for South Korean sprinting. 2012 London Olympics participation, though he did not medal. Jang's participation in the Olympics and his personal best time in the 200-meter event solidified his status as an elite sprinter. Gold medal in the 200-meter at the 2014 Asian Athletics Championships, another triumph that showcased Jang's dominance in the 200-meter race. Multiple national records in the 100-meter and 200-meter sprints. Jang set several national records in both events, breaking long-standing records and inspiring future generations of athletes. Multiple gold medals at the South Korean National Championships. Jang's consistent success in national competitions made him a fixture in South Korean athletics, often winning titles in both the 100-meter and 200-meter events.